guys, it's me, the Assembly Cat hero, Liam. Today I'm going to tell you about starting your z80 assembly code. So the thing is, you want to start, and just like with Visual Studio Code with x86, x64, you want a assembler like MASM for the two things I said. So the assembly language for the Z80, which is what we're going to do for now, which is a 8-bit CPU, like the 6502, is the assembly language is for the Zilog Z80, which is what the Z80 has. And it's I don't really know. I don't really care either. But it's for 8-bit, by the way. I guess if you looked, what is the Z80? It's an 8-bit processor. Okay. Basically, all you need to know is this is for the Z80 is the CPU. Okay. And the Z80 instruction set is the assembler we're going to use. That's it. Instead of using Visual Studio Code, we're going to use something else. So the thing is with the assembler, with starting your code, is that there are a lot of options to choose from. Like if you look it up, like Z80 assembler or assembly code, like there are options, but a lot of them didn't work for me. But I did manage to find something. Also, some of them didn't work, but also some of them technically did work, but they looked blurry, and I don't like that. I like it crispy clean. So I found something that works, and the assembler basically is just, if you want to do code for the Z80 for 8-bit, which then you do it here. And you can do it on a different CPU. That's what this program is for. So it's not like you need to change your PC parts to do this. But it uses an instruction set specifically for the Z80. So it might seem very specific, but that's what assembly code is like. It's like instruction sets can be specific to maybe just one component, like the Z80 or something else, or a different CPU or processor, whatever. So this website is asm80.com, and you can literally just copy and paste your code and click assemble to activate it. And really quickly, I was going to go over the equivalent of move or MOV in the Z80 instruction set. So like I said, there are different instruction sets. They can be for different components, like the Z80, for example, has an instruction set specifically for it. And that's typically with 8-bit, people use the Z80 or the 6502 processor. And there were less options to choose from because it was like 1974 when the Z80 came out. And like, if you want to make your own computer or something, you can make it based off of this instruction set, but we could get to that later. So for MOV in the Z80, I can copy and paste this. You don't use MOV, you use LD, which means load. So it's the same thing as the other video, the MOV video, or move. So it'd be like move register A, comma, whatever number you want to put, but you put LD, which means load. So that's the only difference, is that it's not MOV, it's load, and that's it. And if you click assemble, then your code is here. And this basically, this is in hexadecimal. Actually, I'm still learning, I'm not sure what this is. This is in hexadecimal, but that's not -1. -1 is here. So like if we get LDB 7, then it would have 7. So it's like, it's LD, it's loading it, and then it's putting it here. And that's it. So I know this is kind of a longer video because it's like 7 minutes, but I wanted to clarify some things of that. It might seem complicated, of like, there's the Z80, the 6502, there's x86, there's x64 and all of that, but all of it is separate. It's like x64, 64-bit, x86, 32-bit, shit, what was the last one? 32-bit, 16-bit. Oh, the 8086 is a type of processor that is 16-bit. You can use other ones, but that's generally one people would use for assembly code. And there's 8-bit, which could be the Z80, the 6502 processor, or other ones, but generally those two are popular ones people will do 8-bit assembly code with. So I wanted to clarify that to make this as simple as possible. And the MOV command in the Z80 assembler, which is found on asm80.com, it's not MOV, it's LD for load. Load and the register, comma, and so that. And I can make another video to simplify it or something later, but this is it. It's just like the move tutorial, except it's LD. Okay, so that's it for this. So thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.
I'm just a cat. Why are you so nosy? But please don't.